This is Nzuko Umu Igbo Berlin branding book 2025. The Igbo sons and daughters in Germany came out in mass to celebrate their culture, their heritage, their identity, showcasing to the world our beautiful culture, our heritage, and our identity. This cultural showcase is more than a celebration. It is a declaration of presence and identity. The Igbo people, known for their resilience, entrepreneurial spirit, and deep-rooted traditions, are using this platform to bridge continents, connecting their ancestral heritage with their present reality in Europe. This showcase is a cultural affirmation, an act of pride, a preservation. No matter how far from Igbo, the spirit of the people endures. The most important things I like about Igbos showcasing their culture abroad are preservation of our rich heritage, identity, and pride. It gives children of Igbo descent a strong sense of who they are, where they come from, and a deep appreciation for their roots. This cultural event and practices serve as a unifying force for the Igbo diaspora. They strengthen bonds within the community and help create networks of support and collaboration. Igbo amaka, Igbo benyi, Igbo to the world. We keep shining, we keep flying. We keep excelling, we keep supporting one another, we keep collaborating with one another, we keep helping ourselves, helping each other in our community.
Kingsley.